So let's just dive right into this explainer. We're going to demystify the massive trillion-dollar world of SaaS. And look, I promise, no boring tech lectures today. We are focusing purely on how you can use it to actually generate real income. Whether you're completely new to the digital economy or you're just looking to scale up an existing hustle, this is literally your complete blueprint. We're talking from basic concept all the way to recurring cash flow.
I absolutely love starting with this question because the answer reveals just how accessible the digital economy really is right now. You know, when we hear the term tech startup, we automatically picture these giant rooms of engineers in Silicon Valley, millions in venture capital, the whole shebang. But actually, the exact same business model powering the tech giants is being used by solo entrepreneurs, literally from their bedrooms, to build incredibly profitable online businesses.
And the answer to that question? They're all SaaS, software as a service. Meaning you're already interacting with this business model every single day as a consumer. If you stream a movie on Netflix, shoot off a quick Gmail, listen to a Spotify playlist, or drop a file in Dropbox, you are using SaaS. You already know how it works from the user side, which, honestly, is the absolute perfect foundation for learning how to flip the script and actually earn with it.
So the crucial thing to understand here is that you don't buy or maintain the software anymore. There's no CD-ROM coming in the mail, no heavy programs eating up your hard drive. You just open a web browser, log in, and boom, you're using it. The software lives entirely on the internet, in the cloud. You're basically just paying a recurring subscription, kind of like a rental fee, to access it, while the provider handles all the heavy technical lifting right behind the scenes.
Section 1. The mechanics. Renting versus owning software.
To really grasp why this has completely revolutionized business, think of it like real estate. Building traditional software is literally like building a house from scratch. You buy the raw materials, lay the foundation, build the servers, install the operating systems, and you have to fix every single leak. But SaaS? SaaS is like renting a fully furnished, luxury apartment. The landlord changes the light bulbs, pays the utilities, upgrades the security. You just live there. It completely removes the headache of technical maintenance and drastically lowers those huge upfront costs.
Level 1. Earning by using SaaS.
Okay, let's pivot. Let's stop just spending money on these subscriptions and start making money with them. You absolutely do not need to build software to make money in this space. Instead, you can use a, say, $30 a month SaaS tool to power a highly profitable freelance business. Think about it. You subscribe to a powerful AI copywriter or an advanced design app. Then, you pitch local businesses or online clients for freelance work. You use the capabilities of that software to deliver incredibly fast, super professional results. Basically, you're using someone else's million-dollar infrastructure to generate immediate cash flow for yourself. It's a real game changer.
And as you use these tools more, you'll naturally start noticing little inefficiencies in your workflow, which brings us to this great piece of advice from Roy Lee. He's the founder of a tool called Interview Coder, which, by the way, pulls in about 40 grand a week in almost pure profit. He says, just build something that solves a small problem for yourself. Don't try to overthink it or theorize about some massively complicated niche. Just fix a problem you actually deal with.
Level 2. The white label reseller play.
So what if you want to scale up from freelancing, but you still don't want to learn how to code? Enter white labeling. This is an incredible, honestly overlooked opportunity. White labeling lets you take an existing, battle-tested SaaS product, slap your own brand name and logo on it, and sell it directly to your clients. You get to be the software provider for a local gym or dental office, giving them scheduling apps or marketing tools without ever touching a single line of back-end code.
When you put these two strategies side by side, the difference is just staggering. Building from scratch, you're looking at high upfront costs like 10 grand or more, months of development time, and you handle all the maintenance yourself. But white label reselling, your upfront cost is just a low monthly subscription. Development time is instant, and all those annoying security patches and updates, totally handled by the vendor. You get all the perks and recurring revenue of software ownership with zero technical debt.
Level 3. Building SaaS without code.
Maybe you have a really specific vision and want to own the product entirely. Well, 25,000, that's a huge number, right? That is the amount of free templates available right now on visual development platforms like Rocket. And these aren't just pretty website designs. These are instant foundational launchpads for your own fully functional software.
Using modern drag-and-drop tools, you completely bypass months of expensive coding. You just pick a free template for your layout, add back-end functionality using simple, plain English commands, click a few buttons to integrate a payment system like Stripe, and boom, deploy it live to the internet instantly. You can literally go from a random idea in your head to testing a real business out in the world in a single afternoon.
And when you're trying to figure out what to build, remember this from successful solo developer Mark Liu.
Fix your own problems is one of the best ways to build a startup that will fix some other people's problem. You don't need a billion-dollar idea. Trying to invent the next Facebook is just going to burn you out. Look at your own daily frustrations, like a messy spreadsheet or a boring repetitive task, and build a simple no-code tool to fix it. If it helps you, there's a huge chance it's going to help someone else, and they will absolutely pay you for it.
If you want proof that simple works, look at Tally. They're a bootstrapped, form-building SaaS generating millions in revenue. Their playbook is brilliant. First, keep the product design super simple and self-serve. No need for a huge customer support team. Second, offer a genuinely robust free tier to get users in the door fast. Third, rely on virality. Since forms are naturally shared, they didn't even need a massive marketing budget. Finally, they only needed to convert a tiny 2% of those free users to their paid pro plans to build sustainable revenue. Keep the friction low, and the product literally grows itself.
The digital economic, your next steps.
We've covered a lot today, but here's the absolute bottom line. SaaS is the easiest, most scalable entry point into the modern digital economy. The barriers at entry have never, ever been lower. You don't need a computer science degree, you don't need venture capital. Whether you're using an AI tool to speed up your freelance gigs, white labeling software for local businesses, or using no-code templates to launch your own micro SaaS, the opportunity is literally right there waiting for you.
So next time you look at the apps on your phone or laptop, ask yourself, are you going to keep just renting as a consumer? Or are you finally ready to set up shop, leverage these tools, and become a creator and an earner? The blueprint is right here in your hands. The tools are freely available online. Now it's just time to start exploring.